Here is the username. This is the server IP address. This is the user name at the server IP address. Let's confirm the correct working directory. Correct. Let's see what's here. Correct. Let's create the required directory structure using a single command. And inside, let's create at the same time assets, no space, and images. So it means we have created the site and inside site there is asset and assets and images. Let's create index inside the site. Inside the site. Nano site and inside site create index.html. Then to close, I press Ctrl X at the same time. Then it asks me if I want to save. I press Y for yes, and then hit enter to exit. The tree inside will show that index.html is created. In the same way, I can create a style. Nano site in assets, then style CSS. Here, write something. A tree of the site will show that inside asset style is created. In the same way, I can create app.js side. It's again, it's a assets app.js. Something. Then I hit control index at the same time, then Y, and enter. A tree of the site will show that we have app.js, style.css created inside assets, and you have index created inside the site. Nothing in the images so far. Let's upload an image because there is no way you can create a file on the server. We need to upload it from our local computer. If you want to keep this window open, we'll definitely need to open a new window. PowerShell, you just type power. You can clear your screen. We have the image on desktop. I am listing all the files ending with .png, and I found an image. So let's upload it as user this is important. We're going to specify where exactly we're going to paste on the server. You can even copy home inside site, and inside the site there is also folder images. Then it's now time to start the website. Let's start with no hub or no hang up to make sure the site will continue to run even after we log out. Then Python 3 module, which module HTTP, the server. Let's use the port 8100. And the log will be right there. So you can see every file, including of course our site, is there. Our site has nothing so far, but it's bad. We can browse the whole system. It's a security issue. So what should have we done? We have to first kill this process. Let's kill process. Kill -9 this process. This n 62 4 and 6 8 62. Process was killed. So I will need to make sure I navigate inside the site, and right there this time, if I refresh, This time you see nothing because actually nothing is on the page. And you can easily something on the page.